Hi, baby. She's a good girl. Who's your friend? Your friend doesn't have a kennel card on here. Let's see. I think I have your friend down here. Yep. The friend is a boxer, female, 442773. And this girlfriend is 442660. Let's see here. Come here. Come here. Can I pet your head? Come here. Can I pet your head, Mama? Pretty girl. Oh, pretty girl. So pretty. Oh, she's so happy, girl. Come here. Come here. Oh, look at you. Oh, you're going to give me kisses. Thank you. Thank you. What about your buddy? Is your buddy going to say hi to Auntie? Huh? Good girl. Precious. Come here, Mama. Look at you. She's just a skinny little thing. Yeah, you're so skinny. Oh no, what's on your head? There's a lump on your head. Look at that. Like a scar. Let's see. Huh?
You can't put your hands in either.
What do you mean I can't put my hands in?
No, dude, that's the no hands in or food.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, no.
So
Because I
how-
think it's the liabilities
How-
for you.